kid needs tibay. Araw-araw. Punuin muli. Micronutrient deficiency. Labanan natin pang may tibay. Araw-araw po yan. Kaya natin micronutrient deficiency. Labanan natin pang may bear brand.